Hello everyone, today I will show you how to stop pageless option in Google Docs. This is my Google Docs file and there is no page format option. Now I will add page format option. Simply select this file option and select page setup option. And here we will find this pageless option already active. Simply select here page option and select here. You can select a specific section or you can select whole document. Simply select whole document. Now select OK and see this. Our page format already appear. Previously there is no page format here. Again you can active pageless option, page setup. Select your whole document section pageless and simply select OK and see this. Page format option already removed and again you can active here page whole document selected and now select OK. In this way you can active or deactive your pageless format in Google Docs. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.